Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Beam. So far, Beam is not able to break out this resistance of the down channel. We had a very powerful attempt, but you can see that at this time we are moving at the middle of this channel. And in today's analysis, we will take a look whether is there any possibility that soon Beam will break out the resistance of this down channel, or are we going to break down the support. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to share my recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon on Beam, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal setup that I shared on 25th of July. And by the way, here we have the chart of Beam, not on 25th of July. I think that was on 22nd or 23rd of July. And yeah, here we have the chart. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move that Beam has formed on the daily time frame chart. And by the way, before this guardrail, a few days back on 16th of July, Beam formed this guardrail move that I also shared in my last video with you as well. And first, let me to show you this chart, and then I'll take you to the current trade setup. This was another harmonic guardrail move, and this was, by the way, with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line pumped very well, and after hitting the sell target, it moved down and still moving here sideways. And this is the recent trade setup that Beam has formed on the daily time frame. And this time again, it has formed this setup with Bitcoin pair. Our buying zone is from 796 and goes to 540, and our sell targets are from 1156 and goes to 0.00001536. And below this level, we can set our stop loss. We also have a very strong support here at 540. You can see that previously it had been breaking as a resistance and as a support here. Therefore, you can also put your stop loss below than this level. And after playing this chart, we can see that it has geared up from this potential reversal zone, and right now we are moving above this buying zone, and I'm expecting that soon it will hit this sell target. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, Beam with US dollar pair. Here we were watching at Beam with the Bitcoin pair. Now we are watching Beam with US dollar pair. Then you can see that we had a powerful attempt, but after this powerful attempt, the price line is rejected, and we are moving at the middle of this down channel. At the same time, exactly, we are also rejected by this key resistance of 33 cents as well. You can see previously on this weekly time frame for several weeks, it has been breaking as a support here, and as a support here, and almost as a resistance here, and as a resistance here, as a support here. Therefore, again, it has flipped into a very strong resistance for the price line. So we need to break out this resistance of the channel. And this time, if the price line moves up, it will be approximately here at 25 to 26 cents. But even after breaking out this channel, we will still need to break out this key resistance in order to start a bigger move and hit the target for this down channel. The final target for this down channel can be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately $2. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.